all of you. Myself Mayur, and today's our topic of discussion is keywords in Java. So the Java keywords are also known as the reserved words. Keywords are particularly words that act as a key to a code. These are predefined words by Java, so they cannot be used as a variable or object name or class name. So following are the list of Java keywords. First, a list of Java keywords or reserved words are given below. First is abstract, and the Java abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. An abstract class can provide the implementation of the interface. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. So next is boolean. Java boolean keyword is used to declare a variable as a boolean type. It can be hold true and false values only. Next is break. Java break keyword is used to break the loop or a switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program at specified conditions. And the next is byte. Java byte keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 8-bit data values. Next is case. Java case keyword is used with the switch statements to mark blocks of the text. Next is catch. Java catch keyword is used to catch the exceptions generated by try statements. It must be used for the try block only. Next is char. The Java char keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold unsigned 16-bit Unicode characters. Next is class. Java class keyword is used to declare a class. Next is continue. Java continue keyword is used to continue the loop, and it continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code at the specified condition. Next is default. Java default keyword is used to specify the default block of code in a switch statement. Next is do. Java do keyword is used in the control statement to declare a loop. It can iterate a part of the program several times. Next is double. Java double keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 64-bit floating point number. Next one is else. Java else keyword is used to indicate the alternative branches in an if statement. Next is enum. Java enum keyword is used to define a fixed set of constant. Enum constructors are always private or default. Next is extend. Java extend keyword is used to indicate a class that is derived from another class or an interface. Next is final. Java final keyword is used to indicate that a variable holds a constant value. It is used with a variable. It is used to restrict the user from updating the value of the variable. Thank you.